Hello all, welcome back to all of you in Python series. In today's video we are discussing about conditional statement. If else, if else statement, right? So what is conditional statement? Conditional statement helps you to make a decision based on certain condition. Okay, if you can see, I will just put the syntax of if else statement, right? So if statement here, the condition will come, right? So based on this condition, if this condition is satisfied, then this particular statement will get executed. Otherwise, it jumps to elif part. If this condition is true, this statement will gets executed. If this condition not matched, then it jumps to else part, and this particular statement will get executed. So this is the conditional statement, right? So how to use conditional statement Python? So for this, let's take very simple example. Let's take 3 input from the user, and we just find the what is the biggest number among 3, right? So how to take the number from user? We have input function, right? So just a equals to input, right? Enter the value of a, and as we know, input function always return a string, so we have to typecast here. We have to convert this into integer type, right? Now just come to b, enter the value of b, enter the value of c. Okay, we'll get 3 different input from the user, and what we will do, we will keep the condition here, right? What condition we need to make? If, right, as per syntax, and colon, right? Here our expression, logical expression will comes. So what I need to check, a is greater than b. Also I need to check and a is greater than c, right? If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, right? If both conditions are true, then what I need to make? Print a is the greater number. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, then what I need to do? I need to come to elif part. Elif, right? Again I need to keep some certain logical condition here. So what condition I can make here? I can just simply say b is greater than c. Okay, and I can write here b is greater number. Else, if both conditions are not matched, then what we can say? C is greater number, right? Okay, so let's run this program and let's see what the output will come. Okay, you can see on the console. So I just enter the value of a 10, enter the value of b 20, enter the value of c 5. You can see b is the greater number, right? So this is the conditional statement, if else statement in Python, right? So this is the syntax. You need to just keep the logical expression here. After putting logical expression, close the parenthesis and put semicolon, right? So semicolon will tell Python that it is the end of the if statement. Okay, similarly, if this logical expression is not satisfied, right, it gets failed, then it jumps to elif part and it check this condition. If this condition gets true, then or this statement will get print on the screen. Otherwise it jump to else part. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it, and please do share this video or channel with your friends and colleagues. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.